I can see that the students, especially the science students involving in astronautic way of thinking and analytic way of thinking, and they have been creating a kind of a creative mind has been developed. And this kind of hackathon which you have organized is really inspiring for the youngsters also. And even the people like us who are not involved in this kind of work, I enjoyed a lot. I also come to know that there has been quite a lot of space challenges coming up. And as we know that this is not only limited with the spacecraft or space suits or something like this only, it is also engaging our Earth and observing our Earth and ecosystem processes to the oceans from the atmosphere, and all of the almost systems that has been involved in this NASA also now, and which will help and determine the Earth's climate. And especially nowadays, NASA can continue their important work of predicting, monitoring, and responding to our Earth's changing climate, which has been really problematic for us all and almost all human, animals, and plant kingdom that is nowadays we call as a one health system. And we have been seeing so many photos of human actions that had an indisputable impact on Earth's natural environment. And I see that space-based technologies such as remotely sensed data that have enhanced scientific understanding of water cycles, air quality, pollution controlling, forests, and other aspects of natural environment. And we can also see that natural calamities, where is what happening, that at least we can sense some kind of alarm. And I see that this NASA is not only related with the physics or with the astronauts, it has become a multidisciplinary system. Why I'm focusing on this is that here even biologists are involved and aeronauts have been involved, space science is involved, and along with this, even mathematicians, economists, engineers, and all. So we see that this space science, aeronautical research, it has developed a kind of a new frontiers, discovering knowledge and developing new techniques. And we also know that Nepal has successfully launched one satellite with the help of Japan. And nowadays, I can see that students, they are building their knowledge and they have been thinking beyond their textbooks and their daily life. And they have been doing a kind of analytic thinking also, which is really good for the society, really good for the education and the country as a whole. So we can also, our youngsters can also have a competition or can compete with the international world. So I can see that being a judge also, and I saw that there are perfectly good proposals. I couldn't imagine that students can do that much of work and that much of analytic thinking they are doing, and they are creating proposals, you know. And one of the students, the group of students, they were designing drone for the planets, that if they can go to a planet and instead of going out, the human itself going out on the planet, they can send the drones having all flexible parts of arms and all this. I was really stunned to see it. And besides that, another group of students, they were also designing kind of satellites around the planet so they can have more of the details of the planet study and its history and its details. I think that in this kind of platforms or this kind of challenge that you have arranged can support in research and development for the subject itself as well as in the country, which can open opportunities for the youngsters. So I feel that projects were excellent and were highly competitive. And I see that this can also open area in collaboration and coordination with the students among themselves, as well as in the multidisciplinary and also within the country and abroad. Students have started reading in an analytic form the Nobel laureates articles and all. So I feel that now the youngsters, they are really heading ahead. So this is quite a positive a step for us that we can see that students are, even in this pandemic, not relaxing. They are really studying and they are really exploring the world. In the end, I would like to thank NASO team for such a great work that you have been started. And I wish that you continue this kind of work. I would like to thank for giving me an opportunity and honoring me as a judge and giving time for me to speak a few words in front of you all. With this, I would like to wish you all our festival coming up. Happy Dasai. Thank you.